What's up guys, it's Chuck from Mucoff, and today I'm going to show you how to install our Stealth Tubeless Tag Holder. Today we're going to use the Stealth Tubeless Tag Holder without the valve. However, you can purchase this as a kit with a 44mm black valve. First thing we need to do is insert the valve cap into the tag holder itself. So we're going to remove the silicone top cap and remove everything inside here, the little plate here. And also when it comes to the valve, we want to remove the rubber base, the O-ring, the locking ring, and also the valve cap. And we're placed to the side. So now everything is apart, we're going to place the valve inside the stem and we're going to pull that all the way through. Next, you need your rubber base, and we're going to pull that all the way up, pull it from the valve up towards the stem until it's flush, like so. Next, we're going to pop the plate in and push that in until it's a snug fit. So once your AirTag is paired with your phone, it's time to place into the stem. I found the best way to install the silicone cap is by turning it inside out and then folding it over the AirTag. In the black envelope you'll find 3 different rubber valve bases to cater for all rim types, so do double check when fitting. So we've put a hole in the rim tape ready for the valve. Once the valve is through the rim, we need to put the O-ring on, then the locking nut. I'm going to tighten that up hand tight. Now we've installed the valve, it's time to put the tyre on, and we do that by placing the tyre onto the inside of the rim, making sure that we don't move the AirTag around too much, and then put the tyre on as normal. Now we're going to use our valve core remover to remove the core, to pop the tyre onto the bead and fill the tyre with sealant. Here's an extra tip: if you're not using a compressor and using a standard pump, you may need to compress the tyre against the ground to help the bead to snap. Now our tyre has popped onto the bead and the valve core has been removed, it's time to put some sealant on, and we do that by placing the sealant in at 12 o'clock and then moving around to 6 o'clock, like so. And on the back are instructions for your desired amount. So now the valve core is tightened, it's time to put some air in. And that is how you install our Stealth Tubeless Tag Holder. Thanks for watching.